Welcome to Padmavati teaching classes. Today we are going to learn math concept numbers from 1 to 10. Okay children, let's start the class. See here, what is the first number? 1. What is this number? 1. How to write 1? See, standing line. Standing line. What is this number? Standing line. 1. What is this number? 1. What is the second number, children? 2. What is the next number? 2. How to write number 2? See children. Left curve, sleeping line. Left curve, sleeping line. Number 2. What is this number? 2. See children, what is this number? 2. How to write? Left curve, sleeping line. Next number 3. What is this number? 3. 1, 2, 3. What is this number? 3. How to write? Left curve, left curve. Left curve, left curve. Number 3. 3 after 4. What is this number? 4. How to write 4? Standing line, sleeping line, standing line. Standing line, sleeping line, standing line. 4. What is this number? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. See children, next, what is this number? 5. What is this number? 5. How to write? Sleeping line, standing line, left curve. Sleeping line, standing line, left curve. Number 5. What is this number? 5. 5 after 6. What is this number? 6. How to write 6? Right curve goes in. Right curve goes in. Number 6. Right curve goes in. Number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number 6. 6 after 7. What is this number? 7. How to write 7? Sleeping line, standing line. Sleeping line, standing line. See children, number 7. What is this number? 7. 7 after 8. 7 after 8. How to write 8? Right curve, left curve, left curve, right curve. Listen children, how to write, see carefully. Right curve, left curve. Left curve, right curve. Number 8. What is this number? 8. 8 after 9. What is this number? 9. Number 9. How to write number 9? Right curve, standing line. Right curve, standing line. Number 9. What is this number? 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Number 9. 9 after 10. 9 after 10. How to write 10? Standing line, circle. Standing line, circle. Number 10. What is this number? 10. Okay children, all of you learn now how to write numbers from 1 to 10 with the strokes. Once again, I will repeat these numbers with fingers and with examples pencils. Okay? See children, what is the first number? What is the first number? 1. All of you say along with me and show your fingers also. 1. What is this number? 1. See children, how many pencils I have in my hand? 1. One pencil only. 1. How many pencils? 1. What is the one next number, children? 2. What is the next number? 2. All of you show with your fingers, children. 1, 2. What is this number? 2. 1, 2. Let's count the pencils, children. How many pencils? 1, 2. 2 pencils. What is the next number? 3. What is the next number? 3. All of you count along with me, children. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Number 3. See, children, how many pencils I have? 3 pencils. 1, 2, 3. 3 pencils I have. What is the next number, children? 4. What is the next number? 4. All of you count with your fingers, children. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 4. What is this number? 4. How many pencils I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the next number, children? 5. What is the next number? 5. All of you open your fingers and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many fingers? 5 fingers. How many pencils I have? See, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 pencils. Next number 6. What is the next number? 6. All of you count with your fingers, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Let us count the pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 pencils. What is the next number? 7. What is the next number? 7. All of you open your 7 fingers and count along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total, I open 7 fingers. Let us count the pencils. Okay, children. Let us count pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total 7 pencils. Okay, children. Next, what is the next number? 8. What is the next number? 8. Open 8 fingers, all of you. Count along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total, I have opened 8 fingers. We can count the pencils. Okay, children. All of you read along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Total 8 pencils. Okay, very good, children. What is the next number? 9. What is the next number? 9. All of you open 9 fingers and count along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I open 9 fingers. Let us count the pencils. 9. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 pencils. Very good. What is the next number? 10. 1, 0, 10. All of you open both hands. 5 fingers, 5 fingers. Each hand we have the 5 fingers. We will open 10 fingers. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total we have the 10 fingers. Very good, children. Let us count the pencils. 10 pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total 10 pencils. How many pencils I have? Total 10 pencils. Very good, children. See all of you once again. Here I wrote 1 to 10 numbers. Already we learned 1 to 10 numbers, how to write with the strokes, and also I will explain with examples also. Okay, children, all of you practice these numbers from 1 to 10. In next class, I will explain one activity on these numbers. Okay, children, take care. Bye-bye.